We are pleased to show you the 2020 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.